Stop what you're doing. If you're selling on the Walmart marketplace right now and you have not heard or you're not using Walmart funded incentives, you are leaving money on the table. I'm talking about the program where Walmart lowers your price on the Walmart marketplace and then pays you the difference. Your payout stays the same, the margins stay the same, but this can drastically change your sales because your customers are getting best price online. Stick around because I'm going to take the next 10 minutes, break down this program to you, show you the pros and cons, how to get enrolled if you're not already, and what this could actually mean for your sales. Let's go. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I help e-commerce sellers basically on any platform. And today we're diving deep into the Walmart's ecosystem on incentives. And this is a program that can really get overlooked. And it's interesting because I did a YouTube check to see who else is talking about this. And I could not find one other video. This is going to be one of those videos you want to save because it really can change the trajectory of your business and increase sales 100-fold. Before we launch into this specific incentive, there is a freaking wasp. What is this Walmart funded incentive? I'm glad you asked. Okay, Walmart's entire brand is on offering their in-store or online consumers the best price possible. And a lot of times what this means for sellers is your listings are suppressed. They're pulled down. You're getting emails saying you need to lower your price because Amazon is offering the same thing cheaper. In this case, it's a little bit different. This program really lets them drop your price to compete with other retailers, but they cover the cost of that discount, not you. Let me be really clear. Walmart is not forcing you into this program. You don't have to enroll. You can turn this program off if you were auto-enrolled, which a lot of people were. It's also not Walmart forcing you to cut margins. This is Walmart subsidizing price drop with their own money. You still get paid exactly what you expected. There are no oh my gosh, where's my money? This is how it works if you are already enrolled in this program. So you list your price, your product like normal. Walmart will then identify that that product could be more competitive if it was priced down. Maybe Target or Amazon has it cheaper and so they want to compete with their price. Instead of suppressing your listing and forcing you to drop your price, Walmart steps in and funds the difference. The shopper will see the lower price. You get paid the full original amount and then Walmart makes up the difference. Here's the crazy thing about this, because on the Walmart platform, you have a better price, you're really crushing the buy box as well. So this really means for sellers, more conversions, more impressions, the buy box time, beating competitors, because one simple thing, you enrolled in this Walmart funded incentive program. So not only are your margins protected, but your volume goes up. Probably one of the most seller-friendly programs any marketplace has ever offered. If you have been a long-term consumer of my content, you know I am telling you the good, bad, and ugly, and it's usually all really ugly. So it's wonderful to be able to share like this program is hitting it out of the park. Okay, so this is what the math looks like if you decide to enroll in this program after this video. Say you have a product listed at $30. Cost is $18, the referral fee is $3. That leaves you with every sale about $9 profit per unit. Walmart algorithm picks up that this is a high demand product that could be performing better. Walmart sees that the competitors are listing it lower, selling it faster. So this is where the funded incentive program steps in. Walmart drops the price. You don't have to do anything. Walmart will drop that price from say $30 to $25. You still get paid as if that product was selling for $30. Walmart eats that $5 difference. Customer got a deal. Walmart wins because now it has the lowest price online, and you and we keep the full margin of that sale. And we probably sold more units in the meantime because yeah, we are competing with the lowest price online. Think of that. Now consider running this program across 50 SKUs in your catalog and imagine what that could do for your daily and monthly sales. This is really how sellers on Walmart are finding these programs that, why isn't everybody talking about this? It's really the reason why we're staying here and we're putting up with a lot of drama on this platform, because this program and a couple others just dominating. Sellers who are enrolling in Walmart funded incentive program are outpacing, they're outperforming. So this is what surprises a lot of sellers. If you are already eligible to be in the program, you most likely were auto-enrolled. Walmart has been automatically pulling sellers and listings into this program. What I see is then on the back end, when somebody looks in their sales and they start freaking out, I sold this for 25 and I was supposed to sell it for 30, but they didn't realize they were in this program. What that really means is right now when you're watching this video, if you are on the Walmart marketplace, you are most likely in this program and you have SKUs that you could push into the program and also SKUs that are already selling under this program. You probably didn't know that Walmart was making up the difference in the background. You just thought, oh, I'm making more sales on this particular product. Wasp. Got it. If you want to see if you're actually enrolled or you want to stop or opt out of this program, you're going to go into Walmart Seller Center under the pricing section. Click on incentives and you will see multiple things, not just the Walmart funded incentive program. They're always rolling out new programs, testing things, so you may see things that I don't have and vice versa. This is probably another time to note, it's always important to get into your Seller Center every day, see what Walmart's doing, make sure all your information is up to date, because if it's not, you're gonna get like suspended. These wasps are just taking me out today. Once you're in the pricing section, you'll see the incentives, and this is where you can enroll more products, take products out. The control is really yours. This is where it gets important. Walmart really decides at their discretion what SKUs they're pulling in, because you could say all of your products, but it's only pulling maybe half or maybe a fourth of what you have to offer. They don't tell us the algorithm they're pulling from to say why they're selecting some SKUs or over others. Generally, it's items that have strong listing scores, strong demand, competitive baseline pricing, solid sales history. High demand categories really just tend to get more attention from this program. So if you have listings that you think should be enrolled but are not getting pulled in or used in this program, I would really start with the listing to clean it up, make it stronger, better keywords, better title, better pictures. Better listing quality is really your way to get more listings into this program. That's why also I love FlashPricer, because they are creating software and always updating their program for sellers to position us the best on the Amazon and Walmart marketplace. FlashPricer is already identifying the listings that have potential to be pushed up in price. And so this is why I always talk about using a repricer, because this is a lot happening in the background. And maybe you are pricing too high and you get kicked out of this program. So something like FlashPricer is monitoring when your listings are getting suppressed, when they do need to be lowered a bit. So not only can they be picked up from incentive programs like this, but just published on the Walmart marketplace. On the other side, what if FlashPricer is identifying what SKUs are in this program and pushing up, inching up that price, so you are making more per sale and getting paid the difference through this program? This is stuff that you should not be monitoring on your own. Say I have 780 SKUs on Walmart right now, and I have 250 enrolled in this program. That is just too much to be looking up each SKU, opening up the listing on Walmart, checking out my competition. Like this is a crazy amount of time when we have automation. Now that automation is not just identifying listings that could be pushed up in price, but also seeing what listings are enrolled in this program to make sure that we are always winning the sale, because we know that this incentive program is making sellers so much money. We want to make sure as many listings can stay in that sweet spot of the price to stay in the program. FlashPricer has tiers as low as $50 for the small or new seller, so there's no reason that any Walmart seller can't quickly sign up in one of the tiers that they offer and start using this automation and AI to price smarter, win the buy box, beat your competition. A lot happening on the Walmart marketplace, which is why I love working with Jordan and the whole FlashPricer team, because they're so close to the updates, to the news, to how sellers are feeling, to where we're going, that they are staying ahead of all of these changes. Their sellers who are using FlashPricer are staying ahead of the competition because we're pricing faster. When we update a price, or when FlashPricer updates our price, there is no other repricer, even Walmart's and Amazon's repricer, that's working as fast as FlashPricer. It's really the one-two effect of being enrolled in these incentives, understanding the price structure of the platforms, and then using automation to really dominate and beat out your competition, make the sales, live better. I'm gonna put a link below for FlashPricer. You can try it out for free. Hook up all of your listings and watch it go to work. I promise you will not be disappointed. Let's talk about a couple more incentives, because Walmart offers several different programs across the marketplace, and it's good to just understand what they're offering sellers. Other big incentive that they offer sellers, and you'll see this under in your seller center under pricing, this will be there too, is the reduced referral rates. It's really incentivizing sellers to keep your price competitive. It will then step in and say, okay, you're priced competitively to our price or other prices online, so we're gonna lower your referral rate. So you're basically getting rewarded for offering competitive pricing. That sounds really great, and honestly, if it works out for you, fantastic, but sometimes they're pushing sellers to really lower too much for this one to make a ton of sense to me. But it's still good to keep an eye on, because you would be surprised that some listings fall into this, so you're getting reduced fees, and it makes sense. The next big program is new seller savings. This is a really good one. Honestly, if you're not selling on Walmart, and I don't even think I have a link for new sellers to sign up. I should probably get one after this conversation. But if you are not signed up yet, don't sign up unless they're offering you crazy savings. They offer like several incentives, but the biggest one is like 50% off referral fee for like your first 90 days. 50%. That's a lot. If you're still in the first 90 days when you're watching this and you have not been using the savings, I need you to stop this video right now, go into your seller center and make sure this new seller savings is turned on. The next program Walmart is offering is called the Review Accelerator. This one works a little bit different. We know as sellers how important reviews can be, especially if you own your own product, you have your own listing, and you need to get some good reviews on there to make more sales. This program lets you incentivize buyers to leave reviews by offering small rewards. So as a seller, you're gonna set the incentive, and then really Walmart takes over. After a customer purchases, they'll see the incentive to then leave a review and then get a small reward. There are parameters to this program, but it can be like a percentage off their overall sale or a dollar amount. You'll see the options once you get into this program. We know that more positive reviews on a listing can help conversions, get more clicks, win the buy box, win the sale, help a new struggling listing really get started and picking up sales. After this video, I would really encourage you to hop over to Walmart Seller Center and see what you're already enrolled in, see what you could be enrolled in, and then really stack these programs. Imagine if you had several of these incentives rolling at once with FlashPricer pushing sales, you would dominate. The bottom line is that Walmart is actively spending money to help new sellers get started and also push their current sellers to win more sales. If you can stay on top of these rollouts, it really does give you the edge over other sellers and over other marketplaces. 3 things to do when this video ends. 1 is go check out your incentives you're currently enrolled in. Try to get as many SKUs or what you feel comfortable with and into these programs. If you are a new seller, make sure you are enrolled in the new seller savings to make the most of your first 90 days on the platform. 3, go hook up FlashPricer today. There's a link below. You have a free trial, so go connect your marketplaces and see how a couple weeks or a couple days sales skyrocket. If you are not subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? What are you doing with your life? Go hit the subscribe button. Thank you for following along, sharing this with your friends. I'm interested if you knew about any of these programs. Are my neighbors watching me? Whatever. I'm interested if you knew about any of these programs before this video. If you're interested in trying them out, or you have some like not great or positive reviews, I want to hear it all. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.